It's Goose. I want to go ahead and cover what happened with crude oil after that video I made yesterday. So I basically just called it a day just because I was editing the video. And once the market opened back up, I can see that actually crude oil did in fact go and test these highs and completely rejected. So if we zoom in a little bit, I'll discuss these FVGs in a little bit, but I want to zoom in on the 5-minute chart, and as you can see, right around when price opened back up, 5 p.m. Central, so 6 p.m. Eastern, it had quite the volatile moves. Like, these candles are actually quite huge. So I'm kind of glad I didn't attempt to watch any of this. But if anyone did look for this, this was a great short. Rejected a couple times and finally completely reversed this FVG, and it crawled back into this 4-hour, this small one. So let me switch back to the 4-hour. And this one I did notate from yesterday. So this little gap that we had here completely failed it and actually went right through the midpoint. And as you can see, it tried coming back up, didn't get to the midpoint, also rejected this previous FVG, like from the further out point of view, from this one right here from September or July 19th, and completely sold off. So this was 9 p.m. Central, that was last night, and completely just sold off without us. I didn't get back onto the charts until I think right around where price was around here. I thought that there was going to be a potential bounce within this area, and I attempted to go long and I was stopped out. So I figured that CL wasn't ready to completely reverse. Now, yes, I created this other FVG, and also I don't remember if I pointed this out, but I did say that there was a possible chance that it would pull back all the way this low, but I didn't think it was going to happen within the day. Now, that's something you shouldn't do with crude oil, is underestimate the potential moves that it could do. So it definitely comes with no surprise that it did in fact pull back this much, because it already came back to test this area, this high, and completely sold it off. And it came down to this FVG. Now at around noon, I think it was, hold on, let's see. There was some news that came out overseas and caused this huge spike. So either it was a complete coincidence or it was due to news that made crude oil come to this midpoint on this FVG and completely bounce. But if you look closer in the 5-minute, it went right to the other midpoint from the previous one, came back down, rejected, and then crude oil is just kind of pretty much dead at this point in the afternoon. So I just wanted to cover and show you guys exactly how that played out. Now, I did mention that I was going to add a fib level if I saw a clear rejection, and now that we have it, let's go ahead and draw that in. And I'm going to delete this red trend line if I can get it. Okay, and I'll probably delete this FVG now that it's gone through it, filled it, and rejected it. So yes, I'm actually going to pull the fib levels from this candle from October 1st, and I want to see if it will continue coming down. Now, we do have crude oil inventories tomorrow at 10:30 Eastern in the morning. So that's going to cause another crazy day for oil. And we're going to have to see how it ranges within these prices. Now, I'm seeing another FVG that's being created. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this out for you guys so you guys can see this. And I'll just change the color to purple. This green color is kind of ugly. And I'm going to just another one. I'm seeing two FVGs here, but I'm going to create this one just in case if it does creep back up. And we'll leave that one there. So yeah, we're going to see price pretty much develop here, and maybe it's going to break out when crude oil inventories comes out tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. I would like to see what price does if it comes into this range from this fib level, fill this FVG, and either if it keeps coming down below 72.50 and under this fib, let's see what it does at 72. And if, you know, it gets really ugly tomorrow and continues to pull back, I have this other FVG from this candle that is from, yeah, October 1st. And if we zoom back out a little bit more, I am seeing this bottom trend line support that we can draw out. So this is from September 10th and the bottom of October 1st. So we'll see how this trend develops tomorrow, coming into Thursday and Friday, and should be fun. Now, I'm only making this video because I'm going to be away from my main computer the next couple days, and I wanted to create this video just so you guys can see how price developed overnight, and, you know, how price may develop the next few days. So I hope this helps again, and if you guys have any further questions, always feel free to ask me in the comment section or in the Discord and study group. Have a good one.